Welcome back, boys, girls, ladies, and gentlemen, to the best YouTube channel you have ever seen. Today, we are going to be starting to tear the engine down. In the previous video, you saw it come out of the car, and the transmission's out, all the stuff's off the motor, all that. So today we're gonna be tearing the whole engine down. I'm gonna start with the heads right now, and then we're gonna take the block and the rotating assembly, and we're gonna bring that all down and put it on the stand and take it apart further. But right now, I have to get these heads off because I have something planned for those, and I just have to get them off sooner than later. So yeah, I got all these rockers out, which all seem perfect. They're all real smooth. I didn't show you guys, but when I put the motor together, I actually rebuilt those with a trunnion kit. So they're good for high RPM and they won't blow up. They have caged needle bearings. They don't have bushing. They're the brass bearings, but they're better than stock. So I'm just gonna pull the push rods out here. This is the first head off. I'm not sure what this stuff is. Probably just carbon. It scrapes off real easy. I don't know. It's kind of like bubbling. First head's off. Looks all right. I don't see anything bad. These are the pistons. But yeah, everything here looks good. I think one of these rods, this is the back of the motor. I think one of these rods here, or the journal in the crank where these connect, is where it's bad. That's my guess. Pop this head gasket off. Junk. The second head is off, and I think this head looks better. This, I believe, is the driver's side head. It's a lot cleaner than the passenger side head. Less carbon buildup. The pistons have less carbon buildup on them, except for this one. But it all comes off real easy. So both heads are off. They both look good. All right, guys, we're down here in the basement. Transfer all the parts down in the old Ranger. So we're on the stand here, and I was just cleaning some stuff up, emptying the drawers out. So yeah, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna get the time lapse going up here after I clean this bench off, and I'm going to start taking this apart. We'll start with the oil pan and the lifters and all that crap, front cover, and then we'll just pull it all out, and I'll give you a rundown on what happened and what broke where. And I just got the motor here. I took the back plate off so I can get this back thingy on. And I took the valley cover off, and the first thing that I saw was these flakes, as you can see here. These copper looking flakes. They were pitted or gathered here, here, and here. See them right there? All in here. There you go. As you can see, got the balancer off. This is what it looks like. It just slides right on this snout here. Now I'm just gonna pull this front cover off, flip it over, make a big mess with all the water, get the oil pan off, and then I'll pick back up and we'll take the rotating assembly out, lay it all down on the table, and see what happened. When I was turning it, I said that the knock might be over here, but it sounds like it might be over here when you're turning it outside of the car in this cylinder. So either this one or these two. Not sure yet, but we're gonna find out. So get the oil pan and the front cover off, and we'll be well on our way. All right, well, guys, that's about it. That'll about do it. I just took all the rings off the pistons and labeled and put them all in bags. But basically, all these bearings are shot. They're all spent. The block looks okay. All this looks okay. Make sure these cam bearings are okay. Everything looks alright except for the bearings. I have to clean off the pistons. Get some of that stuff off. Then I'll take everything to the machine shop. But set me new bearings, maybe an oil pump, maybe some new cam bearings. I'll go back together. I just probably pulled it out of the car, and that went okay. I did kind of drop it on the car though a little bit, which does suck, but shit happens. So after I get all the stuff back from the machine shop, we'll assemble the engine again, and we'll put it back in the car, and hopefully it'll be all good. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.